Hey guys, so OpenSea token airdrop is coming soon, and here are some clues. For example, OpenSea Foundation was created. They basically registered in Cayman Islands, so they can actually create a token and don't get sued by SEC or something like that. And this is what usually happens. Token projects are basically creating a different, basically entities, different projects like foundations, and this means that a token is most likely coming soon. So how you can qualify for an airdrop? There are many people talking about this, but nobody is talking about, first of all, OpenSea actually announced a OpenSea 2.0 on December. I mean, they will be basically launching on December, like this month. And they basically announced this a month ago, November 4th. So nobody knows what this is. Here you basically go on their website, a really cool looking website where you can basically steer some yacht, some ship. Click to enter, and they will basically take you to a page where you can connect your wallet and basically sign up for a whitelist. Nobody knows what this will be, but I already signed up. So the next thing is, again, how you can qualify. First of all, recently this one minted out, which is 9DCC Black Box by G Money. And what I saw here, I will show you. So we have to go here, featured on past, basically past drops right here. I will go on this 9DCC. So this drop basically sold out in 30 seconds. And what I want to show you is here. Every mint is eligible for OpenSea XP. So what this means is that many people think that if you are an OpenSea OG, they will just drop you a token based on your volume and how long you've been in the space, how many NFTs have you bought and sold. And there is also a app created so you can see if they drop a 50% a drop and the valuation is 6 billion, so you get like thousands. But there is no way they will make it so easy. That's why I think they created the OpenSea 2.0. There is already, you can see OpenSea XP, which means that they will be farming people. So you will be able to basically earn XP, most likely for trading on OpenSea Marketplace. I hope they will make some retroactive points, so you get points for your past volume, past trades, because I have done like so huge volume. And another thing is they have their own Genesis NFTs on OpenSea. There are like 94,000 items and people are basically buying. I think the price most likely went up like 10x since they announced the foundation, which means that there will be, most likely there will be an airdrop. So here you can see it basically sold for 0.004, right now for 0.06, so 10x at least. That's why there are not so many news, so nobody actually knows how you will be able to qualify for this airdrop. Most likely, if you have been buying and selling NFTs for the 2022, you will most likely qualify, but there will be some more things to do. That's why there is this OpenSea XP. So they will be most likely incentivizing you to buy and sell NFTs on their platform. Also, the fact that I like is that they are basically predicting that 2025 will be a full-blown NFT market. That's why they launched this program and the token. Who knows when it will launch? Most likely in Q1, Q2, because that's when historically the altcoins start moving up. And right now, if you go on a coin Gecko, for example, you can see that altcoin season is starting a little bit. You can see 11% in the last 24 hours, 19% gains. So we have some decent uptrends, and the 2025 after the Christmas is done. So basically we have 1 week, 10 days. When the Christmas are over, I think the altcoin season will start and we will go in the full-blown crypto euphoria. Right now, people think that they will wait for 5x, 10x and sell, but when the true euphoria hits, no one will be able to sell because that's when the psychology takes over and everything is going up for like 6 to 12 months. And yeah, this will be time to farm, time to make money. So the next 12 months will be insane. And for example, if you want to start trading crypto, I am trading on Bybit. I think that's the best exchange. I'm personally using it myself. You have almost all of the tokens you want to buy on Bybit. And if you want to sign up, you can use my referral link in the description. You will get up to $30,000 in trading bonuses. So sign up with my referral link. The link is in the description and in the comment section. And yeah, that's basically the latest news on OpenSea Airdrop. I will be posting more updates if they come. So if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.